Hello, I'm Veronica V. Gonzalez, and this is my Technology Integration Specialist pre-interview video. I will highlight how I've integrated technology in the classroom, have designed curriculum to create engaging lessons, my experience in facilitating professional learning, and why I should be selected for this interview. I started my career 11 years ago with Alvin ISD. I have a background in engineering. I research and I analyze ways to make my classroom more interesting and fun. I want my students to succeed and learn my content, but I also want them to remember my class. 6 years ago, when I taught math at Harvey Junior High, I would record my notes using the Aver software that comes with the document cameras. I was actually just testing out different features on the document camera and discovered the video function. This gave me the idea to record my notes for those students who needed to hear my lesson at their own pace, for the ESL students who needed to read the captions to better understand what I was teaching in class, and of course for my absent students. The Aver software allows you to record yourself writing your notes and then upload them to YouTube, and then I would post them to my teacher website. When I taught language arts and teen leadership, I used Moodle and Edmodo as a diagnostic and formative assessment tool. I also downloaded an app onto my iPad to take attendance, to document any accommodations and discipline issues. Then when I started teaching math on Avid, I explored applications and I discovered Schoology, which is a platform like Google Classroom. Kahoot has always been a great tool to review and assess students, and they love Kahoot. I've also created Jeopardy review games in PowerPoint. I've used Excel to show my students how to use the formulas to complete calculations. Educa Play is an awesome application that I use to assess my engineering students. Nearpod, Canva, Powtoons, they're great for converting PowerPoints to be more interactive for students. I've used code.org for principles of information technology students so they can gain more experience with coding. There's so many applications, and I'm always looking to try new hardware and software to engage students and to assess their knowledge. For curriculum leadership, I'm constantly researching instructional strategies to improve my lessons. I analyze student data to see where they're starting from so I can track their progress. I've designed lessons so that the curriculum is horizontally and vertically aligned. A valuable strategy that I learned when I taught math is to use my students' math star scores to create hybrid groups. I still use that strategy every year before school starts to create seating arrangements and to create groups for group work. Communication is key, whether it's teaching a core subject or an elective. Every teacher has to collaborate to share ideas on what works and what doesn't work, to create engaging lessons and to ensure students are going to grasp the concepts that are being taught. I have 11 years with Alvin ISD. When I taught at Harvey Junior High, I facilitated PLCs. Sometimes it would be on how to implement technology, and sometimes it would be on implementing Avid strategies. I would use a mix of applications and videos. During COVID, I created a how-to video on how to use a document camera. I have my master's in education technology leadership, my bachelor's in computer engineering technology, and my EC through 12 technology certification. I have 7 years experience as a technical analyst. I've coached, trained, and developed employees, and I'm passionate about helping teachers. I have an advantage where I've taught core classes and electives. I enjoy learning new technology and strategies, and I'm bilingual. I'm efficient. I'm a multitasker. I'm effective at communicating. I'm a team player. I've worked with Hayden and Kyle in the past over a few summers where I've helped them with the new hire trainings. And I want to thank you for this opportunity to pre-interview for the technology integration specialist position. I'm looking forward to hearing from you so that I can talk to you further about my skills and qualification and how I would be an amazing asset in this role. Thank you.